Hello and welcome everyone to the commodity report for the 28th of February through to the 1st of March 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Right now we have natural gas prices, they've broken out 21% in just 1 week, currently trading back above 2.7. We have platinum prices that have broken out 4% over the last 2 days. We have palladium prices that have broken out 1.5%. Gold has just broken out, in fact, over 300 points on the day, currently up 1.2%. We have silver, which is up 2%, and copper, which is up 2.4%. Everything that we talked you through last week is playing out, especially as we move into a new month, as we go into March. Fresh capital coming into the market as we transition into a very favourable period for commodities. Now, alongside that, we've also seen back-to-back moves here off the back of the PCE data from Friday, back-to-back breakout since the beginning of the week. Firstly, we had oil break out, then natural gas broke out, then we've seen gold break out, then platinum, palladium, and now copper as well. So we talked to you through big opportunities as well on platinum last week on the week ahead commodity report. Gold to platinum, the ratio here meant that platinum was far more favourable at the current levels than gold, because platinum prices have broken down to half the price of gold. In fact, platinum prices from Monday through to Tuesday, they broke out over 500 points to the upside versus gold, which broke out approximately 300 points. Yet again, platinum prices, they're trading back above $960 per ounce. Just on Friday, platinum broke down to $900 per ounce. Natural gas, of course, the absolute star. We really banged the drum on that with you last week on Thursday and Tuesday's report, talking you through massive opportunities after natural gas broke all the way back down towards the 2 handle. With that, where we saw extreme fear in the market, many traders getting liquidated on that break back down towards a major level of liquidity, was nothing more than a bear trap and a massive opportunity for you to accumulate at much, much lower prices. Because right now, natural gas is already trading back above a 2.7, over a 700 point move to the upside since last week, and over a 21% move to the upside. So I do hope that many of you capitalized on that off the back of our analysis. Go back and watch Thursday's report. If you missed that, the highlight of that report was very much the massive opportunity available on natural gas. Now, alongside that, we have palladium, which is currently trading back above $1,400 per ounce. It broke down to $13.50 on Friday, broke out to $14.50 just on Monday. So from high to low, 1,000-point move just from Friday's sell-off to Monday's breakout. That's the way the markets go right now. You need to take these opportunities on the impulse moves, breakouts to the upside, make sure you're scaling out, banking profit, exactly what we've seen on oil over the last week. Massive buy opportunities to buy it under $74 per barrel. 3 times we tested that level last week. Now we have oil trading back above $77 per barrel. All very straightforward back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize on in the commodity markets here. We've continued to talk you through these big opportunities, the playbook at this time of year, end of February as you go into March, very favourable for many commodities here. And of course, now moving into Wednesday, what is it going to be? It's a new month, so therefore fresh capital will come into the market, and that can further accelerate the impulse move that we're having higher. So in a 2-day impulse move for many markets right now, like platinum, like palladium, like copper, like gold, like silver, so we could therefore see a 3rd consecutive daily gain here as we move into Wednesday for the first day of a new month. Something certainly to look out for, but already we've seen massive moves here since the start of the week on many commodities after the washout move that we got on Friday, following on from the inflation data. And with that, many traders got liquidated, they got washed out on that move, only then to see the markets rocket back in the opposite direction, which we've seen already over the course of this week. So yet again, the major focus over the course of this week is going to be platinum versus gold. The platinum to gold ratio is catching up very quickly. We're seeing an impulse move higher. Again, platinum prices, they broke down to half the price of gold, so typically that favours platinum to outperform gold in the short term. Alongside that, natural gas trade opportunity we identified with you last week, back above 2.7. Again, looking at this market to start scaling out of some profits on the breakout that we've seen, 21% gain in the last week in oil as well, looking to scale out of further profits as we're breaking back above $77 per barrel. So I hope many of you have crushed it over the last week. If you're not making money right now, over the course of this week, you absolutely should be. There's been back-to-back trade opportunities for you to capitalize. Very simply, all you need to be doing at the moment is looking to sell high and buy low, and then rinse and repeat. That's what you want to be doing in the current range-bound market conditions that we've been seeing over the month of February into March. That could all change, of course, as you transition into March. If we see further capital inflows and much bigger moves in the markets, that's something to look out for, and obviously we'll be fully ready and prepared to capitalize on that. So with that, if you would like to learn the research-driven approach to the market using data, statistics, market intelligence, the real-time, data-driven daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly cycles for each commodity, further align that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the key areas of liquidity that are targeted, which are going to offer you the biggest opportunities to get in nice and low, sniper entries, and then get out the top of the moves as well, the top of the cycle, and then rinse and repeat and do the whole process again. Alongside that, you want to be utilizing the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the narratives in the market, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, of course, the capital flows, very important. And of course, you need to constantly be learning and evolving with your trading. If you learn more, you are going to earn more. It's very important that you keep improving and bricklaying your process, optimizing it and improving for the current market conditions. Then finally, you want to align that with how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, institutions are positioned in the market. That's going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click on the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.